Hey everyone! Today I want to talk about something really important happening in Zimbabwe. It's a story of courage, resistance, and the unyielding demand for real change. Stephen Sarkozy Chuma, the former youth spokesperson of the Citizens Coalition for Change, has recently spoken out against President Emerson Mnangagwa's administration. Chuma's words are not just a critique, they are a rallying cry for unity against dictatorship. Chuma specifically targeted the oppressive tactics used against the Zimbabwe National Students' Union, or ZINASU, an organization known for its activism and resilience. Under Mnangagwa's rule, ZINASU has faced relentless persecution, a grim reminder of the ongoing struggle for freedom in Zimbabwe. Despite Mnangagwa's promises of reform, the reality on the ground tells a different story. The country grapples with severe economic challenges, alleged electoral fraud, and persistent human rights abuses. For many Zimbabweans, the hope for a better future feels increasingly distant. But voices like Chuma's reignite the spark of resistance. His call for unified efforts against dictatorship resonates deeply, reflecting the widespread frustration and fear among the people. In Zimbabwe, the cry for genuine democratic change is louder than ever. Chuma's statements aren't just words, they are a reflection of the broader disillusionment felt by many. They are a demand for a future where every Zimbabwean can live with dignity and freedom. So what can we do? First, we need to amplify these voices, share their stories, spread the word, and keep the conversation alive. Awareness is the first step towards change. Second, we must support organizations that are fighting for human rights and democracy in Zimbabwe. Whether through donations, volunteering, or simply staying informed, every bit helps. Lastly, let's stand in solidarity with the people of Zimbabwe. Their fight is not just theirs, it's a fight for justice and democracy everywhere. Stephen Sarkozy Chuma's words remind us that change is possible, but it requires all of us to come together. Let's unite in this effort and work towards a better, more just world. Thanks for tuning in, and remember, every voice counts.